everybody! 4 months have passed since I last colored my hair. You can see how much roots I have grown. This is my natural hair color, and this is the color that's left from the shadow root I showed you last time. I'll be using that same lightener by SYOSS, number 135. That box color comes with an amazing platinum toner. This is why I prefer this one. It has never failed me so far. I would very much like to eliminate that orangey color that is between my natural hair color and the blonde ends. I want to add highlights on the places where I would normally section my hair for a hairstyle. So let's begin. The first section starts somewhere around the arch of my eyebrows. I'll be using this brush, and if anyone can recommend to me a nice brush for hair coloring, please do that in the comments. As I edit this video, I wonder if I have some brain damage from too much bleach. I need to transfer the contents of this bottle in a bowl so that it's easier for me to take it with the brush. You shall witness a process I call intuitive coloring. I start around the height of my eyebrows, and I do my best to take teeny tiny sections on the places I think that the sun would normally hit my hair, or on the places I feel like I need to create the illusion of more volume. And I backcomb a little to reduce the risk of having a line. Now I'm trying to combine the baby lights and balayage technique, as I put hair dye only on the dark part of my hair and not over the blonde. If this looks like too much work, that's because it is, and I will soon realize that. At this point I realized I needed gloves, at least on my left hand, and I realized that taking the sections from the back of my head towards my face is way easier. The next section will still be around the arch of my eyebrows, but higher. Again, I do my best to take teeny tiny sections for the highlight. Whatever hair I think is too much, I just drop it. At this point, I realized I needed something to help me paint the highlights. You can see that the section in the front is thicker and the ones in the back are thinner, and that's on purpose. I want the lightest part in front of my face. Some fine tuning. Then I do the exact same thing on the other side. Notice that I leave some space from the roots. That's because I want to grow out my natural hair color. If you want to be blonder, you can start higher on the roots. I go higher around my face. The next section goes a little higher, and this is usually the place I would do lace braids on myself. Then I continue doing the exact same thing I did on the previous section. I emphasize the highlights on the top and at the front of my head. I wanted to add some balayage at the front, but decided it was probably not a good idea at that moment. For the pieces around my face, I imagined how my hair would look in a ponytail and placed the highlights according to that. I saturate the top a lot because I'm looking for a high contrast effect. Now I lift the sides of my hair to check how my hair would look when it's up and if I need to add more highlights. I decided I wanna add more highlights in the bottom of my hair, on that part which usually stands in front of my shoulders and is very visible. I think I'm happy with the highlight placement. I'm gonna wait 20 to 30 minutes, maximum 35. Then I'm gonna wash my hair as I normally do, and I'm gonna use the platinum blonde toner that came with the box dye, and I'm gonna show you the result. So that's the final result. Here my hair is washed, dried and styled. I'm pretty happy with how my hair looks now. I like how it's lightest at the front, and I also like that I didn't have to bleach a whole lot of my hair to achieve this result. I like that I still have a lot of my natural color visible, and I love how it creates contrast when I move my hair. There are still some yellowish pieces, but I don't mind them. I'd rather fix them next time I add highlights, and not this time because I intend to add highlights on different places so that when my hair grows it will look more natural compared to having all these highlights at the same level. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video please give it a thumbs up, that would help my channel a lot. And if you wanna see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you wanna be notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye!